is Bridget Tinsley, and I'm the Resource Program Manager for the Mountain Region at Oregon State Parks. So what we're doing with the restoration is we want to make sure that any ground that was disturbed, the vegetation, moved earth, or any additions that were made for stabilization of equipment platforms, we want to make sure that we add soil so that we can then restore it with some native plants. So we'll be looking at using what we already see on site, so red osier dogwood, plenty of willow, and also considering a couple different tree species that might work well here. Obviously juniper grows all throughout the high desert, but ponderosa and box elder are a couple other things to consider. So just want to stabilize the soil, keep the water clean and healthy, and prevent any interest from folks going off trail to get to the river. Keep them on the path, over the bridge, and onto the trails.